I'm Ian Stewart, one of the co-founders of Recoup Energy Solutions. Wastewater heat recovery is a technology that simply extracts the waste energy from shower water and puts it back into the hot water system. The team covers a wide variety of areas, being new build, commercial and social housing.
I head up the technical team at Recoup, and I look after a small team who manage specification and technical support for our wastewater heat recovery products. We engage with new build developers, house builders, but also increasingly more with hotels, with student accommodation, with gyms and leisure projects as well.
I am the head of residential decarbonisation for Recoup. I deal with housing associations, local authorities and framework providers to talk to them about their retrofit projects and what we can do to support those.
I look after the non-residential side, so that could be student accommodation, it could be gyms, leisure centres, hotels. Usually working with M&E contractors, could be architects, could be sustainability consultants, making sure they get the right products.
I'm the Senior National Business Development Manager at Recoup. I'll manage existing customers, but I'll also be responsible for bringing new customers in, see where they're up to in their Part L building regulations, future home standard journey, and make them aware of wastewater heat recovery and kind of what it can do for them really.
My role would be within the technical and specification team, offering specification support to group technical teams for house builders and then regional technical teams as well. Every month I host Recoup's CPD, which is a great way to engage with numerous different people in numerous different sectors.
Yeah, I'm head of design and marketing for Recoup. From demonstration units to exhibition stands, looking after all of the promotional literature and documents that we have, from instruction manuals to imagery to diagrams, making sure it's very clear to understand and show what we do.
I'm Sales Channel Manager at Recoup, dealing with our merchant partners, being the account manager for our stocking partners, being the conduit internally with our technical team, our logistics team, working within the commercial team.
My role is to ensure that our products get from our manufacturers to our customers in the right time, the right quantity, and of course the right quality. Whether that's full trailer loads into distribution centres or parcels to residential addresses.
I am Recoup's plumber, so I do a lot of the toolbox sessions for the house builders, plumbers and technical teams to support the installation with some technical information and installation tips. That was so nice, wasn't it? That was nice.